Hey guys, Super Chef coming to you from underneath my rusty Subaru. Just doing a short little video here. It's not a complete how-to, but more just tips and tricks. If you've got a leaky tail or transmission output shaft seal, a couple things might save you a little money or a little bit of time here. If you don't want to waste money by dropping your heavyweight gear oil in your manual gearbox to get to this transmission output shaft seal, you can jack the back end of the car up higher than the front. I'm using blocks because I feel much safer underneath the blocks, but I'm also using jack stands as a secondary, and I'm also using a jack as a third safety. So that being said, there are 4 12mm bolts, hard to see them, on that rusty differential bolt up spot, and they have lock washers on the other side. See? So you don't have to undo the exhaust system completely to get to that. It's just it's a bit of a pain with the pipe in the way. So pretty straightforward. Jack up your car, block it up high so that the back end is higher than the front end. In order to get the top bolts on this differential, where the U-joint is anyway, you need to get all 4 wheels off the ground, and I don't stay under the car while I do that. I rotate. I get 3 bolts where I can get to them easy, and the 4th one I'll jack up the car, spin the shaft so I can get to the last bolt, then set the car back on its blocks, because like I said, I do not want to be under here. I don't trust jack stands. I do trust blocks a lot more because they're solid matter. So then you have 2 14mm bolts. Be careful, I've snapped one of these off before, so maybe a little penetrating oil. I would try to avoid heat unless you're just going to heat the spot where the nut inside the frame is welded, or inside the chassis is welded. So you'll pull the shaft off and throw it off to the side, and then your shaft seal will look something like that. I am possibly going to try a different exhaust pipe on my car, so that's where I'm going to leave you at here. So like I said, it's just a short video, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and maybe tap the notification bell if you're interested in any future content. So thanks for watching, and see you soon.